Alright, this is a Kubota B6000E subcompact utility tractor. It's two-wheel drive. I believe it to be about around a 1978 model. Do a quick walk around of it, start up. The machine has a belly mower on it. The box on the front here is an like electronic actuator that starts the mower, controlled by a switch on the dash. The lights don't work. The sheet metal is overall in really good shape. There's a couple little spots here. You can see this dent, my finger next to it. But for the age of the tractor, I think it would clean up pretty well. It hasn't spent a whole lot of time sitting outside in the sun or anything like that. Show you these front tires. All the tires hold air. The rear tires have quite a bit of tread. Got brakes. You can actuate them together or separately. Each side work great. You've got a rear differential lock here. Okay. This lever controls your high and low. Gear shift in the middle here, and your PTO controlled by that shaft over there. This is your 3-point raise and lower. It also raises and lowers the mower deck as well. The 3-point goes up and down smooth. It's very strong. It's got this little drawbar on the back of it. Go with it. Homemade. Works great for just moving trailers out of the way, mowing, and putting them back. So it does have a little bit newer seat on it. It's pretty comfortable. It's a suspension style seat. It's on a track that slides forward and backwards there. Steering has a little bit of play in it, not much. Okay. That's pretty common for these machines. Turns pretty sharp, mows really well. I just got done mowing with it, so it's not cold, but I will go ahead and start it up. It starts the same cold or hot. Alright, so this would be the switch to actuate the mower. It's off, and you've got on over here. Key to the on position. To turn your glow plugs on, you'd hold it to the left. Since it's warm, it probably doesn't really need much glow plug time, so I'll throttle up a little bit. Deck's in the down position. You can see the 3-point is lowering. Got it dropping slow. Raise the deck. As soon as the 3-point's up the top, the deck is raised. Sorry for the jerky camera work there. Cut the machine off. Throttle all the way down. Really good running machine. I wish I had somebody to video while I drove it around, but it goes into gear fine and mows great. So if you have any questions, go ahead and contact me. I appreciate your time.